Today I'm going to introduce a new project. So it's basically searching an image using words present in that particular image. So I have some trained examples now, and I'll be showing some demo. So right now I'm searching a word how, and I'll be getting an image which consists of the word or text how. I'm going to select some other name. God. Yeah, God is here. God saw me hungry. Okay. So people are trying to bring you down. Okay. Open. Gather. Trump. Life. Yeah, it's not case sensitive, so we can access easier. Word letter. Yeah, letters here. Company. Yeah. So it's built using our shiny web app, and we have the help here, users, then profile settings is there, and we have a repository. So right now we're trained for this much samples, and probably I'll be adding more number of images to this particular repository, so that if you type any text, that matching image will be retrieved. So thank you guys, bye.